Chapter 1, Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. B. Defines. Ulos gives other than clothes. Of the things that are given as Ulos presents in natura to the Boru, land is the most important. As with the cloth, land cannot be given in the reverse direction, that is from Boru to the hula hula. For the Boru that receives such a piece of land, it is a garment that never wears out. Ulos nasora Boru, since in general the purpose of such a transfer of land is that it is given permanently sipate-pate to the Boru unless it is expressly related otherwise, or if the special conditions are clear from the nature of the contract. The reason that land assumes such an important place among the gifts in the first place stems from the fact that the ruling marga living in its own ancestral territory is the only group that, collectively, has the ultimate right of disposal over land, although the members who have cleared and cultivated part of it have, by doing so, appropriated the land and bound it to them. This is a point that will be discussed in Chapter 3. The indwelling marga, which is usually the marga Boru of the ruling marga, had in the earlier generations of his sojourn at least still nothing but a right of usufruct, a temporary right to use the land so long as it kept the land under cultivation. This then is the reason, generally speaking, why the hula hula is the group that can use land as a present to its burg of Affines if it wishes to give them something that stands in the particular and personal relationship to it. The idea associated with this giving of land as a present is that the blessing that the land and its fruitfulness can bring to its cultivator will be transferred to the needy Boru and thus improve its possibilities for a better life. The same idea applies when cattle are given as ulos, the term then used being Adogniasimun, 10 days of the cucumber, the hope being that, like the cucumber, they will increase in number and that the recipient will do like. Money, rice, houses, trees, etc. can also be used as ulos gifts, and formerly male and female slaves were so used as a sign of the prominence of the donor.